Talofa lover and welcome to Messina Treasures of Samoa. So today on Messina we will be making Samoan food from the content of our cupboard. So we are limited in what we can buy right now, and so we're going to see what kind of food or Samoan food we can make just by using what we have in our cupboard. So stay tuned and enjoy. So this is what we have in our cupboards. We are going to use this. So it's not the palm corned beef pisupo, but it is pisupo. So we're going to try making something with corned beef. Let's see what's in our freezer. So this is our smaller fridge freezer. As you can see, it's got a lot of frozen vegetables, which are great for when we can't access fresh food. What we did do was we went and we bought reduced frozen vegetables, and so we might just make a stir fry with pisupo. My mother has this really great Tupperware container and it's full of brown rice, so we're going to opt for brown rice as we don't have taro to eat with our pisupo. So we're going to have Pisupo Stir Fry with brown rice. We're going to start with the rice first. So there's 4 of us, so we'll do 4 servings. And we'll chuck that in our rice cooker. Then we're going to rinse and wash the rice. So we know that we have enough water when the water goes up to this part of our finger. Just put a little bit more in. And it's ready. Now we're going to make the stir fry. So we've added just a little bit of oil. We're going to let that heat up a bit. So our stir fry mix already has onions, it's got capsicums, it's got shredded carrots, some greens. So it's very healthy and just something easy that's on hand, already been washed. So we're just going to add the stir fry veggies. Probably should have used our wok, but we're going to add that, give it a bit of a stir. So now that the vegetables have softened a little bit, we're going to add our can of pisupo. To add a bit more flavor to our stir fry, we're going to add a little bit of Japanese tonkatsu sauce because that's all we have in our fridge. Then a little bit of sesame seed oil, sesame seed oil. Again, we're only using the ingredients that we have in our house, and our last is some mushroom soy sauce. Okay, so stir that all in. maybe went a bit too heavy with the soy sauce, but it's smelling good. So our Pisupo Stir Fry is now cooked and ready to be eaten. We're just waiting for our rice, and then we will get some feedback from the other people in the house on what it tastes like.
So today we're going to be trying Pisupo Stir Fry and rice, and tell you how it is. So the flavor is really nice with the rice. So when you put it in all the juicy stuff in the vegetables and the pisupo, mixes well with the nice rice. Yeah, it's not too salty and not under salty, but yeah, that's really good.
Thank you so much for joining us here on Make Treasures of Samoa. So if you feel that you got value from this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Leave us a comment about what other videos or Samoan food you would like us to make, and we will be sure to get to them. Thank you again. Whakataitele lava.